Hey friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this makeup look here. I wanted to do something that was very simple yet elegant on the eyes, but then to spice it up and give it a bit more life, just make more of a statement, I wanted to combine it with a bold lip. I was unsure on what colour of bold lip to go for. I didn't know whether to go for a plum, a red, a bright pink. I have came up with 3 lip combos, and if you want to know how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. See, if it wasn't frowned upon, I would murder my neighbour's dog. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but I hope you can. It barks constantly, all hours of the morning and everything. Bitch, I'ma report your ass. I just want to clear it up, I would never hurt an animal though. I'm just going to start on my base makeup first. So I'm actually going to try the Morphe foundation again. So I did do a review on this foundation yesterday. One thing I didn't like about it was the fact that it was so dry. Because I didn't like it for that reason, I'm going to try it with some different products. I'm first off going to prep my skin with the Tarte Maracuja oil. I do have dry to normal skin, so that's probably another reason why I find it very dry and matte on my skin. I would say if you have oily skin, you would prefer this foundation. Honestly, see, working from home, it really does make you realise how annoying your neighbours really are. I'm just going to use the foundation shade that I did use yesterday, which was the F1.100, and I'm going to mix it with MAC Strobe Cream. I did mention this in yesterday's video that I was wanting to do that, so I just thought, you know what, I may as well do it today and see how it goes, because whenever I do first impressions on products and they don't necessarily work out or anything, I do like to try them again and find out why they don't work and try them with different products to see if I can make them work with particular products or whatever, blah blah blah. I'm going to mix it with the MAC Strobe Cream in Peach Light. I'd like to think that this will definitely make a difference to the foundation, because I have mixed the MAC Strobe Cream with numerous foundations, and it just gives the foundation just a bit of like a luminous glow to it, just like a natural radiance. So I'm actually not going to start with my eyebrows today, because in yesterday's video I didn't start with my eyebrows and I ended up putting my eyebrows on after my foundation, and I actually preferred it. Okay, so I don't know if it's the strobe cream or the oil, but I think it's maybe the strobe cream that has sheared the foundation out a lot. Whoa. No to the MAC Strobe Cream. That looks awful. Please excuse my crusty ass lips. Oh my god, that looks disgusting. I don't know if you can see that, but it just looks... It actually looks worse today than it did yesterday. It's not sinking into my skin. It's as if the oil is acting as a barrier, if that makes sense. Like, it's just not sinking in. Am I gonna have to take this off and start again? Damn it. I'm just gonna use the MAC Strobe Cream on my face before I go in with the foundation by itself. God, I look so weird. I am not going to use the Morphe concealer. I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. As I was saying in yesterday's video, that I did like the products, but I didn't like them together. That's what I'm trying out today, to see if there's a difference in how I like the products with other products. Yeah, that looks fine actually. I just find it so weird that a company would bring out a foundation and a concealer and they don't work together. Like, what? Last night I actually was watching other reviews just out of sheer curiosity to see if that had happened to anybody else. And I was watching Sophie Does Nails, and the exact same thing happened to her. Like, it was like it came off her nose or something, and it was like, oh my god, same, high five. To set everything in place, I'm just going to use the Colourpop No Filter setting powder. So I'm really wanting to do a full face of Colourpop soon. So I actually went onto the Colourpop website the other night and I bought a lot of stuff. As soon as I made that order, what did they bring out? Mascaras. And then just whatever is left on my sponge, I just like to go and pounce that just on the rest of my face. So I'm going to use 2 highlighters today because I'm extra like that. So I'm going to use is the Colourpop Flexitarian highlighter, and the second highlighter I'm going to go in with is the, still can't pronounce this brand, must really Google it or something, or YouTube it or something, is Memi, and this is their Powder Radiance highlighter in the shade Glow Up. One thing I like about doing my makeup this way in terms of not having my eyebrows done yet is whenever I'm applying highlighter, like I can really do that brow bone. So I'm just going to use this e.l.f. duo for my blush and bronzer. This is one thing that cracks me up about e.l.f. in a funny way. Their packaging is so basic. e.l.f. and then the shade of the product. Like I have a primer in there and it's literally, hold on if I can get it actually, and it just says e.l.f. Glow Lotion and that's literally it, and a bit of lip liner. They're just like, it's a primer, get over it. It's a blush and bronzer, get over it. What more dates do you need? So funny. I don't actually think I said the shade though. It is in the shade Fiji Matte. Sorry, I need to calm down in the blush. So just going to use this shade to bronze the face. I just noticed that Jesus and Mary are facing the wrong way today. I am so sorry. I'm just going to take the Morphe 25A palette. I'm just going to take a mixture between these 2 shades here because they are quite similar, although this one's a wee bit more warm toned. I'm just going to dust that just into the crease. Usually whenever I'm going in with a transition shade and I'm using this brush, just basically like all over the lid, but I'm mainly focusing in the crease. But today I'm mainly focusing in the crease, but also dragging it up into that brow bone, trying to stay away from the lid as much as possible. And then just for the sheer hell of it, I'm going to kind of take that colour just right in there. So I'm going to take this shade here. So I'm mainly just focusing this shade just on this area here, just right in that crease, and bringing it down into that corner. And taking that first brush again. So I'm going to do quite a big wing today, I'm feeling feisty, and then I will come back and I will apply more shadow because I want the wing to kind of be my guide to where I want my next step in the shadow to be. That chocolate tastes funny. I am eating a Milky Bar, the share size, as if. I buy the share size bags of crisps, the share size chocolate bars, so there's more for me. So I'm next just going to take the Makeup Addiction Cosmetics Precise Blending Brush. I'm going to go into this dark shade here. Really want to get this shade right in that crease. And I just dusted that brush off, and I'm just going to just blend out those edges. I've just went off camera and done my other eye. Are they even? Probably not. Do I care? No. For lashes, I'm going to use the Yazmae Cosmetics lashes, and these are in the style London. So I'm not going to do anything on the lower lash line, bar a wee bit of mascara. I was wanting to spice it up a wee bit and do a bright bold lip, so I'm actually going to do 3 lip options. So I think for the first lip I'm going to take the Dose of Colours liquid lipstick in the shade Sauvage, just like a very dark plum purple, kind of like a red, like mulled wine type of shade. First of all, I'm just going to line my lips with the W7 a lip twister, and this, I know this is red, but I don't actually have a lip liner that colour. Oh my god, that is absolutely beautiful. I love that shade, it's absolutely beautiful. I don't know how it's coming off on camera, but in person it's definitely pulling more on the purple side, but I'm going to now change to my red. Luckily, before I started filming, this package showed up on my doorstep. Didn't even know I was getting this sent to me. This is just a PR package from a deck of Scarlet, and it is their matte velvet lip colours. I'm guessing these are new. I definitely must look into it. And it just comes in this wee box. I'm going to use the red one from the deck of Scarlet liquid lips, and this is in the shade Siren, so it's just a beautiful red. Then I'm going to use a pink, the pink one, and this is called Trouble. Let's give it a shake first. So that's still with one dunk, by the way. Oh, I am feeling some sort of way. So that's it actually dried down completely, by the way. Love it. I'm now just going to go in with my last shade, and I kept the pink one to last because I think I'm going to keep this one on. If you have been following my channel for ever, I don't do pink lips. I just don't do them. So this shall be interesting. So we have the pink. Okay everyone, so this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys all enjoyed this tutorial. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what your favourite lip colour was. I actually can't choose between the red one or the Dose of Colours one. The pink one's still nice, but it's just not me. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you all in my next one.